Hello, it's Mark, and welcome to another episode here at Big Man of Woods, your online scout leader. Now we've got little producer Tom here today. Why are you helping us in this vlog? What are we going to do?
Make marshmallows.
Yeah, we've been sent a really cool kit called the toasting kit. It's the original toasting kit, and it's got some chocolate, some marshmallows, some 100,000 sprinkles. And the cool thing with this, you don't need to make your own campfire. It's got its own little inbuilt burner, so if you haven't got a campfire or a barbecue and you don't want to do this over the gas ring hob, it's all in the kit here. So in the kit, as you can see, you've got some marshmallows here. We have got organic chocolate, some 100,000 sprinkles, skewers, and this is the burner, the marshmallow toaster. It's a fuel gel burner, and it's going to be able to burn for up to 2 hours, and you just put a little match to that, and off we go. Ideally, obviously, do this outdoors. And kids, if you're watching, do it with an adult. Right, let's see which one Thomas is going to go for. Which one are you going to go for, Thomas? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6?
2.
That's number 4. That's number 2. That's 2 marshmallows with chocolate with sprinkles. All right, let's see what Grace is going to go to. Which one is she going to pick?
This.
Okay, and which one do you think Mummy's going to go for?
I think she's gonna go for this one. Or this one or that one.
I'm going to go for, same as Tom Tom, number 4, the dipped sprinkles. Right, let's get this out of the box and onto the table. Okay, so first step is we've got to melt the chocolate and we've got to put that in the microwave. Let's do that. So while the chocolate is melting in the microwave, just putting it in there for about 50 seconds, stirring halfway through. Let's just talk about this burner. So it's the gel. It will burn up to 2 hours. You can reuse it, but the main thing of this is don't blow it out. To put the fire out, you take the cap off and put the cap back on. You can reuse this, even make your own s'mores, but today we're doing dipping chocolate. Just give it a bit of a stir, just to get rid of those lumps. And because it's a high quality cocoa in this, it will stay liquid for about an hour at room temperature, but we're doing it in the garden. So right, let's light the burner. Okay, so it's a gel inside, as you can see, and we're gonna light this gel, and that will get our thingies all nice and melted. So we're gonna light this gel, then we can put our marshmallows over that. So again, once again, don't let the kids do this. Okay, so it's still a bit light out there, but it is definitely hot. Okay, so just when you do this with the kids, make sure they don't put their hands but
inside.
Okay, right, let's get marshmallowing. So that is really hot. I can see a flame. It's really hard to see it on the video, but I can see the flame. Just remember to remind your kids. Simple now. Get the skewers, marshmallows, chocolate, sprinkles, and start making it. As a scout, we love making s'mores, so this is a bit of a spin-off of a s'more.
When's it gonna get brown?
You'll notice, look, it's getting brown now.
See at the top.
The trick is not to do it too much.
That's a good one. Stop, Daddy. And the sprinkles.
That's a lot of chocolate.
Can never have too much chocolate, Grace.
Oops.
Eat it, eat it.
Is that good?
Mm-hmm.
So I'm loving this. The gel burn is really good. It lit just with one match, and it instantly took So it's really good if you haven't got a campfire and you don't want to do this inside over the gas burner.
That's good.
Just do it in the garden with the kids. As you can see, Thomas is only age 5. He's doing it quite safely. But again, if you are doing it, make sure you've got adult supervision around you. And just start thinking about what different ingredients you can use. So I'm thinking about maybe swapping the marshmallows for a banana, so you can have that. So marshmallows are still there. Got plenty of chocolate, and the chocolate, as we've all been saying, has been very, very tasty. Actually tastes better than the ones you get in the supermarket. But when you melt this, from previous experience, just do it kind of 15 seconds, let it melt. Otherwise you burn the chocolate and it tastes not very nice. Okay, so we've finished roasting our marshmallows. We've all had enough. There's still, I don't know, what's that, 6 marshmallows left in there. Plenty of time. But as I said, you can reuse this gel burner time and time again over a few occasions. The burn time completely is 2 hours, but we've finished. So to reuse it, adult supervision, you get the cap and you just snuff it over like that. And then when it's cooler, I'll push that down and we can reuse it again. Okay, so we've finished roasting our marshmallows. We've made our, I don't know what you call it. Melting kit, whatever. It's not a small, they do a small kit. You can make your own s'mores, but as a scout leader, I've had hundreds of s'mores, so I just wanted to try something different. So let's find out how Grace felt. Did you like it? Was it good?
It was delicious.
What was the best bit? What was the taste?
The chocolate tasted delicious.
It was very good quality. Tom, did you enjoy that?
Yeah.
Did you enjoy actually roasting your marshmallows? We saw you making it yourself.
Yeah, I like that.
Did you feel safe making it?
Yeah.
Yeah, but you had to listen to Mummy and Daddy, didn't you? Cool. So, all in all, I think that kit is about 20 quid. I think I might be wrong, but around about that. Could you do it yourself? You probably could, but then you'd have to buy that gel burner yourself. What are you doing? So, would we buy the kit again? Yes or no?
Yes!
Yes, definitely. We're loving that. Taking it on the next camping trip with the scouts or whatever, even as a family, or do what we did and get out in the garden while the autumn's coming now. It'll be really nice to sit in the garden. Check out Grace's video when we did the s'more challenge, when we used different biscuits, and find out what Grace's favorite s'more was in the end. Do you remember what it was?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Once I dropped the marshmallow on the floor.
And if you want to see our tea challenge, that was interesting as well. We had a very disgusting tea in the can challenge. That wasn't good. Right, guys, don't forget to subscribe to Big Man Woods, click that notification bell, and we'll see you next time here on Big Man Woods. Everyone say bye.
Bye!